Hello guys, this is me Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. So nowadays, generative AI, agentic AI, these terms and these skills are very popular, and you also know that if you learn about these skills, you can easily crack a job, and it will be a high-paying salary as well. So if you want to start your AI journey, then you can register for this free masterclass. Okay, so it will be a 2-day AI workshop where you can learn about Gen AI, agentic AI, how to use the AI tools, how to use with models, how to do prompt engineering, how to create agents. So you will learn everything. Okay, it will be completely free. So no need to pay anything. I'll just provide you this link in the video description. If you are interested, you can just check and you can register yourself. Here they have mentioned the date is 6th June and it will be a 2-day AI mastermind and 16 hours of AI training free of cost. Okay. So if you want to register, you just need to click on register now button and you can provide your details like name, email ID, etc. Below they have mentioned all the details like what they will cover in this overall curriculum. So you can observe here that in day one they have mentioned they will provide some details, the basic fundamentals of generative AI. Then on the same day they will provide about some details on agentic AI and how it can be built. Okay. Then in the day two they have mentioned building products using AI, how you will implement the AI skills to build a product. And next topic is visual storytelling and content creation using AI. Nowadays every creators are using AI for building contents, so you can automate contents, you can build contents, so that you will learn here. And also you will get some details about mastermind graduation. So this is all about the curriculum. These are the tools which you will learn in this 2 days workshop, so you can get all the tools details here and you can register accordingly. Here they have mentioned lot of feedbacks. If you want to gather all the information, you can check. And the most important thing is it will be completely free of cost, so no need to pay anything. If you want to start your AI journey, this will be the best opportunity for you. So just register yourself and just get a flavor of AI, okay, from this workshop. So that's all about today's update. If it is helpful for you, you can just like this video and subscribe the channel to get regular job updates, workshop updates and internship updates like this one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.